Hi everyone, in this video let me discuss signal to noise ratio and later I'll show you Python code how to add noise to a signal based on signal to noise ratio. What is signal to noise ratio? That is SNR. Signal to noise ratio is defined as the ratio of power of a signal to power of noise. That is, SNR is signal power divided by signal noise. The same SNR in terms of decibels can be represented as 10 times of log base 10 of signal power divided by noise power, which in turns equated as 10 log signal power minus 10 log noise power, simply by log A by B formula, which is log A minus log B. Then the first term may be called as signal power representing in dB value. The second term noise power representing second term, that is in dB value. So SNR is signal power minus noise power in terms of decibel. Noise to a signal can be added either based on SNR or based on noise power. So I'll demonstrate this through a Python code. To create Python code for understanding the signal to noise ratio, so I have to create a signal first. That signal is sinusoidal signal. So look at my first statement. I want to import numpy as np, that is numerical computation I am going to perform. So numpy library files I am adding. Then I want to plot my files, so that matplot library.pyplot. I am importing these two files. Then I want to create some samples here, as many as 1000 samples from 1 to 100. This np.linspace useful to generate a sample, that is t. Okay, so there are 1000 samples here. Then I'm generating sinusoidal signal. Look at this sinusoidal signal with the magnitude of 10. So np.sin t pi to np.pi. So this function used to create sinusoidal signal here. Then I'm plotting the signal. So t is my x-axis, signal is my y-axis value. Then the title, I'm providing title, label for y as well as x, and I'm plotting the signal. I just run this code. So for the given code snippet, I'm finding this signal. So right from 0 to 100. So in between 0 to 100, I have 1000 samples as I have shown here. Then the next step, actually I want to go for signal power. Okay, so I have generated random signal here. You just go for power of this signal. So how to calculate power? Signal square. So take signal square as power value, then plot that one. So as like earlier case, t versus power, that is signal power. So I have given a title, that x label, y label, as I have shown earlier. So when I run this code, I am getting this signal power. The next step is to find out the signal power in terms of decibels. Signal power in decibel. So how to convert it? 10 star log of power. The simple equation which I shown in my slide is useful here. So np dot, I am using numpy array to identify signal power in terms of decibels. Then I want to plot this one. So this is a representation of signal power. Then actually I want to add SNR of 20 dB. that is signal to noise ratio of 20 dB. So remember, signal average power we have to calculate. The signal average power is NP dot mean of power. The signal. Okay, this signal. I have to calculate average value of this one. Okay. Then calculate signal power, that is signal average power. Then convert this power into decibel. Okay. So this is in terms of even watts, I can say. Convert it to decibel. So how to convert it to decibel? 10 times of log of that value. What is that value? Signal average power. Then I want to calculate noise dB here. That noise dB, you just go back to the slide. So this equation, SNR 20 dB is given to us. We know the noise signal. Our objective is to find out noise in terms of decibel. So I know this value, that is 20 dB. I have already calculated signal average power dB. Then I want to calculate noise dB here. So noise value in terms of dB. Then you convert this dB value into ordinary, that is power, noise power. Okay. So noise power is simply anti-logarithm of that value. 10 double star noise dB, that is this value divided by 10. Convert noise from dB to watts. Okay. Then I am generating samples here, that is noise samples for the entire length of the signal. Mean noise is equal to 0. Then the variance is sigma, that is actually given here, np dot sqrt, that is square root of noise watts. So actually this is in terms of watts, that is square of that value. Go for sqrt, that means square root of that one. Again we'll be finding sigma value here. So then finally we just calculate noise using this equation. The given signal using this code, that is np dot random dot normal mean noise. This is mu value and this is variance for the length of the signal. After finding noise sample, you just add that noise to the original signal so that you can get the noisy signal. Okay. I'll just run this code. Then later I want to plot the noise signal. Now look at the noisy signal, 20 dB noise signal. My original signal is this one, actually sinusoidal signal without noise. Then I am adding 20 dB of noise so that I am getting this signal. Okay, that is 20 dB of noise is added with this signal. Let me go to some 40 dB, SNR of 40 dB. Okay, signal to noise ratio. Remember, signal to noise ratio. I ran this code snippet and again I ran this. Now look at the signal. Slightly, because SNR of 40 dB, noise is very less, so slightly noise is added here compared to your original signal. This is your original signal. Then let me go for another example. Let me take down 30 dB. 30 dB. I run this code. This one also. So look at that. Noise is slightly increases. I hope you enjoyed this video with the learning of signal to noise ratio. To get more update, subscribe my channel.